Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME GT7 Pro and let me show you how to use codes on this device. So at first open your phone dialer and this is the panel where you can enter the codes. The first one is *#06# and this one will provide you all necessary device information. So whenever you look for IMEI or serial number, just enter this code and here it is. Tap on OK. Another code that you can use on your Realme is *#426 ###. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode performed by Google. And you can check here status and events. And if you want to get a bit more knowledge, just mark more icon and select advanced view. And here you've got it. So let me go back. And the last code that I want to show you today is *##225 *##. And here you've got the calendar info. So as you can see, all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with this device will be displayed right here. And this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.